Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We have got a beautiful piece of Hermès to show you today. So this is the Hermès Picotin lock in size 18, so it's 18 centimeters, and it's gorgeous. This leather is such a lovely quality, and that colour, that kind of burgundy, rich burgundy colour is gorgeous as well. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got double top handles, and then along the bottom we've got 4 base studs. And then the closure, you can see we've got this belt closure with that Hermès padlock fasten there as well. And it's really clever design. It just, the more you put in the bag, you can see it just stretches open like that. You can open it very easily to get your things in there. And then because this padlock is quite weighted, it just kind of sits where you want it to sit. So very easy to use. And a gorgeous design. Inside, no pockets or anything like that, it's just one main compartment, and again, a gorgeous quality suede lining in there, which is really, really soft and beautiful. The condition of this bag we have called excellent all around. There is no signs of wear or marks or anything like that for me to show you. Again, that leather is beautiful quality and in lovely condition. And I'll just show you inside again. All that suede lining is in a lovely, lovely condition. And you can see the Hermès date code is just here as well, inside the bag there. So if you go to the link in the description below, that's the link to shop this bag on our website, and that in the description there it will tell you what that date code means, when it comes from. So don't forget to click on that link in the description below. There's also the link to shop, so if you're interested in buying, then don't forget to click that link and have a look on there. If it takes you directly to this Hermès on our website, that means that it's still available, which is great. So if you're interested in buying, go ahead and buy it. But if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that doesn't mean it has sold. However, we have a request list that you can get onto. So if you love this a lot, let us know. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll pop you on our request list for this bag, and then as soon as we get in another one like it, we'll let you know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly and not miss out on a beauty like this one again. So that is the request list and the link to shop. I'll show you what this Hermès comes with. So we've got the Hermès box, as well as the Hermès dust bag to keep that lovely leather, good quality leather in a beautiful condition. So that's the dust bag there. And then we have 2 Hermès ribbons as well. And we've got a little Hermès envelope, card envelope, and inside there, you can see we've got that fabric care booklet as well. And then finally, got a little Hermès pouch, and inside there, so you just open it up like that, we've got 2 keys, and they for that padlock fasten there, which again is in lovely condition, and that gold tone in colour is really beautiful. You can see that this padlock actually still has its plastic sealing on it, so that is why this hardware is in such a gorgeous condition. And the same with those base studs as well. They actually, it's difficult to see, but they do have, you can see just a little plastic seal on there, so the hardware is in a beautiful condition. So if you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and it's just a gorgeous little size. It's actually quite like surprisingly spacey in there for such a little bag, so you can definitely fit your essentials and a little bit more, but it's just a really sweet little shape. I love the kind of pouch shape, and the softness of the leather just suits that pouch shape really well. So that is the size of this bag. Again, if you're interested in buying, go to the link in the description below, Like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a bag lover like we are. And while you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated on what we're getting into on Candy Bag Co. We're getting in new bags all the time, so don't forget to keep yourself updated. And when you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page on our website. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a read through that process, and we'll see you later with some more Candy.